It's a great day for a drive, especially in a 2023 F-150 XLT in Avalanche. The interior is black cloth and seating for four doors, and a 5.5-foot box. This has a 3.5 liter EcoBoost engine paired with an automatic transmission, and it's a 4x4. It has the FX4 off-road package, which includes skid plates. It also has a tailgate step and box link, as well as a line box, and many more features. If you'd like to take this vehicle out on a test drive, you can book that online at islandford.ca. Stay tuned. We're going to have a look under the hood and inside and out. This is a 3.5 liter EcoBoost engine paired with an automatic transmission, and it's a 4x4. Let's have a look inside. Speaker in the door, as well as power locks, windows, and mirrors. The driver's seat is powered with lumbar, all-weather mats with the F-150 badging on the floor, and then you have your electronic parking brake, power pedals, high mount lighting, lighting controls, LED side view mirror spotlights, power release tailgate, and you've got a running board as well as a grab handle. That just makes it easier to get in. And on the face of the steering wheel is your lane keeping, cruise control, volume, your menu, and hands-free dialing. Now this is a push start, so my foot's on the brake, keys in the pocket, and we're going to push the engine start stop button. On your dash, any important messages, the odometer reading, and your menu. So let's go through there. My view, trip fuel, truck info, towing, navigation, phone, audio, settings, and these all have sub-menus. In the center, there's a little cubby up top. You have your camera here. So we're not in gear. This is just giving you a view behind before you take off, whether you go forwards or reverse. Center line, and as well, we have our green, yellow, red, just telling us how close we are to other objects or vehicles when going in reverse. And there's your back bumper. Let's get out of there. And then we have our sources, AM, FM, Sirius satellite radio, as well as Bluetooth. You have navigation. Your map is going to come up, and you see you have a little sidebar as well. So you can go in there and choose. When you're in the navigation, you can choose your menu and your destination. We can go into settings, and you're going to see different options in here. Again, there's your navigation again. General's got your language and your measurements. So kilometers to miles and Celsius to Fahrenheit. Your display screen, you can actually dim this out if you want and just slide through for what you want, touch on it, and you're in there, make your choices. And then in your features, you got your owner's manual, towing, zone lighting, and driver assistance. Now, when we put the vehicle in reverse, this is where we're going to see our backup camera view. So same view, but now we're in gear. We're in reverse. And the green, yellow, red is still there, your center line. So especially if you're towing, this is great. You can hook up and you can see what's behind you. And then volume and tuner, dual climate control, dual heated seats, AC and max AC, your front and rear defrost fans there. And down below here we have our USB-C and USB, automatic select shifter. We can make this go down flat. And there's two reasons for that. One, this gives you a flat surface. You can put something there if you needed to, get it out of the way. The other thing is you could order the vehicle with an interior work surface, and that would just open up and give you a completely flat surface. This particular vehicle does not have that. And we just bring it back up, and that's the way it comes up for you. A couple of cup holders, your armrest opens up, and you've got a nice little bin in here. And down below, you've got an outlet, lots of room. Off to the side is the 12 volt. You also have a 120. Two glove compartments, lower one's locking. That one is a release from there. Grab handle in the body. Auto dimming rear view mirror. You have your lighting controls, sunglass holder, and the power sliding window control is located there. 20-inch wheels, mud flaps, black running board, body color door handle with intelligent access. That means when the fob's in close proximity, you can lock and unlock the doors, and keyless entry keypad, driver's side capless, easy fuel gas filler. You're seeing the FX4 off-road badging, and that package also includes skid plates, body colored handle in the rear, LED light to the right, and just above it is where your backup camera is located, backup sensors on your bumper, 4 and 7-pin connector, trailer hitch, and a locking spare tire. And then when you want to open up that tailgate, simply double click your fob. It'll power it down for you. And I might not have actually unlocked it enough. There we go. And inside, nicely lined, tie downs in all four corners, as well as box link. You also have a tailgate step. That yellow button actually pulls out and creates a handle to give you stability. And on the back of the tailgate, you have your two measuring sticks, metric and imperial. Off to the side here, we also have a plug-in And then when you're ready, you just close it up, lock it up and walk away, or jump in and head out on your latest adventure. And on your fob, you have remote start and speaker in the door, as well as power windows and grab handles in the body. There's seating for 3 with a 60-40 split. Simply lift the seat with one hand, it's in the upright position, and then to pull it down, just pull the tab. Anchors at the base to be able to tether baby seats, and a nice all-weather mat for easy cleanup from one end to the other. Slim pockets on the back of the front seat, and you've got a couple of cup holders there. You've also got a 12-volt air vents on each side, and you have USB-C and USB, the 120-volt. Grab handle on the driver's side, hooks and lighting, and in the back, access to a power sliding window with rear defrost. Body-colored bumper, lined 5.5-foot box, mud flaps, privacy glass in the back windows with window vents, adjustable side view mirrors with blind spot information system, auto high beams, fog lights, tow hooks, and so many more reasons to visit us. If you like this video and would like to see more, please subscribe. We have plenty to share with you, and we'd love to hear your comments.